I'm still tired when I wake up, like my dream's still near. Snooze bottom, my best friend now. Get me away from here. I got plans, I got things to do. Gotta do my hours, do my hours. Why is everything so damn hard? Gray skies and rain clouds. I postpone everything, worrying about stupid things. When is it my turn to start living? 'Cause I remember.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Jubara. It's Barb, and today we're going to be doing some cleaning. I just put together a quick video. This one's only about 14 minutes long, so I hope it motivates y'all. I hope it gets you going. The house was a mess. I needed to clean the kitchen and the living room and all that good stuff. And then at the end, I just show y'all some little jars that I got from Amazon that I go ahead and organize a few things in the bathroom with. But yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start here by just cleaning the kitchen, loading the dishwasher, unloading it. I hope everyone's doing well and all that good stuff. Let me know in the comments how y'all are doing.
It's a new day, gotta play it cool, keep my head up above the water. Yeah, it's all I gotta do. Quit drinking all that shit till I see the horizon. And when everything is so damn hard, I'll work through it. I postpone everything, worrying about stupid things. When I'm hazy dreaming and the walls are caving in, dark clouds are waiting, I'ma keep my mind straight. I will never let them in. I will find my clarity. 'Cause I remember growing up, we rode our bikes all over town, spending all our cash on candy bars. And no one ever told us that tomorrow it might not be gone. Sunny days replaced with weekend offs. I don't wanna turn back time, I just wanna feel that I'm living life with clarity.
So real quick, I wanted to go ahead and unpackage this Yeedi robot vacuum that I had gotten from Amazon. They sent this to me, and you can either get these from the Yeedi store, or you can also get them from Amazon. You can get them from Walmart. So I will have all that linked below if you want to check that out. On Amazon, you can save $90 with the coupon, plus $12 with code vacuum YTB. So I will have that link down below because that's a great deal. A little bit about the vacuum as I unpackage it. It is, you can choose the white or the black, but they have the description. It is unstoppable power, all debris cleaning. It really does. Like, I had some big stuff on the floor that it even picked up. It has a carpet boost, deep carpet cleaning with an advanced sonic carpet sensor. It will automatically increase its suction power to the max when on carpet to grab the dirt you didn't notice before. And that is true, because when I went to empty out the compartment where it holds the dirt, it was filled. It picked up so much stuff. It has an edible home map, so you can clean anywhere, anytime. You can customize your cleaning. When a certain spot is contaminated, just tap the map to send the yeedi to clean the mess immediately. Auto recharge and resumes cleaning. So this one runs up to 110 minutes on a single charge, and then it auto recharges and it resumes cleaning right where it left off. It has an app and voice control setup, so you can set up no-go zones. You can clean a specific area. You can schedule your cleaning with a smartphone. And when you're not around, it's compatible with Alexa and Google Home. So it allows you to clean with your voice. So you can tell it to start cleaning or tell it to stop cleaning or whatever. It's also got a mopping modular and a self-empty station. The self-empty station is sold separately. So yeah, they have a warranty on this for 1 year. So if something goes wrong, they will replace it for free. So yeah, they have a lot of good ratings. So that's really good. And you can buy a whole set with the emptying station if you want to. So yeah, go check them out. I'll have it linked down below, and I'm just going to show y'all how well it cleans real quick. Show y'all a little bit of the what it picked up for me. It picked up quite a bit of stuff, even some big stuff in there, which some of these kind of vacuums will just push the stuff out of the way, but this one seems to pick up quite a bit. So I like that. But yeah, and then I also let it mop for me, and it worked great. So anyway, I will have all that linked down below if you want to go check that out. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning up in here. I'm just going to scrub the sink real quick and all that good stuff. I hope y'all are enjoying this so far. I hope it's getting you motivated. I haven't really been doing anything extravagant here lately on the channel. I've just been cleaning. That's because we've been taking care of a lot of stuff outside now that the weather's good and it's spring. We got some time in the evening. We've been really doing a lot outside, and I'm going to have a project coming up this next week. I will be filming a accent wall in the living room, and I'm super excited to show y'all that. I've already been working on the antique dresser that we had over there. I've already almost got that done. If you follow me on Instagram, I've showed a few pictures there, but I haven't shown it completely done. I won't do that until everything's all finished. But yeah, I've just kind of been taking it easy and going through some stuff as far as personal stuff. So I've been trying to get more into my like creative side with painting and making things, because that just helps me. It's like my little piece of therapy. So yeah, but hopefully soon I'll be coming up with some stuff for the channel that's a little different, but I'm super excited about the accent wall and super excited for y'all to see that. So anyway, I had some clothes over here on the chair. I've just been throwing clothes here whenever they're done drying, and I need to get out of that habit, because then I just have tons of laundry to catch up on, and nobody likes that. But yeah, I needed to do that. Colt was fascinated with the vacuum. He always is. So he was really occupied with that, so I let him be. He wasn't hurting it. He was just, you know, doing his thing. But yeah, I'm just going to clean up in here a little bit, and then I don't know what else we'll get to today. I did try to cut some stuff out with my Cricut, and it just was not going well for me, so I'm going to have to go back and redo that. But I did get vinyl and all the things, so I do have like quite a few projects that I want to do, so we'll be doing that soon. Like I said, we've just been going through some stuff personally, so I haven't really had my head in the game, if you will. But I'm getting there. So anyway, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and finish cleaning this up, and then we'll do some other stuff. Thank y'all so much for being here and just being part of the community. I always say how much I love y'all and appreciate y'all, but I really, really do. And yeah, I'm also finally filming for my future channel that will be linked to this one, but it's all going to be about furniture. So I'm super excited for that. I've already been filming for that. And yeah, whenever that's done, which will probably be in the fall or the winter, because I'm doing the whole production of it, I'm not going to try to keep up with filming and editing and all that stuff at one time. It's just going to be, you know, a series, and it's already going to be done and ready to go before I even post anything about it. So I'm super excited about that. But yeah, so anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and throw some more music on for y'all and finish up in here.
Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaches, sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Listening to me crime. To get a little lost in everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey.
So I got these little containers on Amazon. They were about $10 for 4 of them, and they fit the Q-tips, the cotton swabs, the cotton pads, and the toothpicks perfectly. So I think they're really cute sitting over here. I might get like a wood tray or something to go under it just to give it some dimension, but I really like the way it looks, just all clear and organized, and we can see what's going on in there. And I'm going to be making some little labels for this with my Cricut. I'll be doing that soon. But yeah, so anyway, I was just going to go ahead and organize those really quick and put those in there and all that good stuff. It's just real convenient to have them right there because I use everything constantly. Every time I get out of the shower, I clean my ears. I use the cotton pads for my face. Like, I use this stuff all the time, so it's real convenient just having it sitting out here. But like I said, I would like a little tray or something. One day we'll eventually redo this bathroom. But anyway, I wanted to thank y'all for being here again. I love you all. Take care of each other. Bye, guys.